In this video, I'll be breaking down the 3 reasons why most CS majors struggle to land new grad offers and the ultimate solution. My name's Dev, and I landed multiple new grad offers at Amazon and Google the day I graduated. And in the past year, I've helped thousands of people land their dream job even when they thought it was impossible. So if you've been sending out 50, 100, maybe even 200 applications with 0 interviews, then stick around, because I'll show you exactly what's happening and what you can do starting this week to fix it. Let's be real for a second. Most CS majors are doing everything wrong. But the worst part is that it's not even their fault. They were lied to by professors, career centers, by the LeetCode cult that thinks solving 500 graph questions will get you an offer. I've seen this firsthand myself as someone who's gotten into Amazon and Google and helped hundreds of students to get into top companies. Let's start with the first reason. Your resume probably sucks. And I don't mean that in a judgmental way. What I mean is that no one ever taught you what recruiters and hiring managers really care about. You were told to list your GPA, coursework, maybe some class projects. But then your resume ends up looking like every other CS major. In a minute, I'll show you how one of my students, Jack, turned his boring class project into an offer from a top startup without changing a single line of code. But first, let's unpack the problem. There's a common misconception that your resume is a reflection of your potential, but it's not. It's just a marketing document. Recruiters spend 7 seconds on it, and they're not looking for effort. They're looking for impact.
Built a full stack app using the ChatGPT API.
Doesn't mean anything to a recruiter, but
Delivered real-time AI responses to 1,000+ user queries and reduced latency by 30% with caching?
that will get their attention. In both cases, it's the exact same project, but one is told through a lens of ownership. And that's exactly what we did with Jack. His resume used to read like a class assignment, but after we rewrote it, it told a story of someone who actually ships results. Within a week, he was landing interviews, and within a month, he landed an offer from a startup. No master's degree, no new projects, just a resume that finally did him justice. Now, even with a killer resume, most CS majors still fail to get interviews because they never even get their resume seen. That's where reason number 2 comes in. Here's the brutal truth. Over 50% of new grad offers go to a candidate who knew someone inside the company. And before you roll your eyes, no, it's not nepotism, it's risk reduction. Hiring managers would rather hire someone who's vouched for by a trusted employee than take a gamble on a random resume out of a pile of 10,000. I get it, networking feels fake. You probably hate the idea of messaging strangers on LinkedIn, but that's because you've been taught the wrong networking strategies. First, you need to understand this. Getting referrals isn't about begging for favors. It's about showing value. When my students reach out to engineers on LinkedIn, they don't just say,
Hey, can you refer me?
They say,
Hey, I built something inspired by your company's product and I would love your feedback.
lead with curiosity, not desperation. And often, if the engineers are really impressed, they'll offer the referral themselves. You don't even have to ask. That's what they mean when they say it's not about who you know, it's about being the person worth knowing. But even that isn't enough, because even if you have a perfect resume and you get the interview with a referral, you can still blow it. That brings us to reason number 3. I can't tell you how many students I've seen get so close only to crumble when the pressure hits. They think they can just wing it. They study LeetCode, maybe read one behavioral guide, and that's it. But interviews aren't about knowledge. They're about maintaining control under intense pressure. Take Aaron, one of my students. He'd been grinding LeetCode for months. He got interviews at multiple top tech companies, but kept choking during the behavioral round. I remember he said,
Dev, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I know the answers.
So I ran him through a mock interview, and within 5 minutes, I spotted the issue. He kept sounding like someone who was looking for permission instead of someone deserving of the job. I know that sounds corny, but even your tone can impact your chance of getting the offer. And it's never the student's fault. Never. Computer science degrees never teach you how to sell yourself. They teach syntax, but not storytelling, and they'll teach you recursion, but not how to build rapport. So we rebuilt all of his behavioral answers from scratch, not using cookie cutter templates, but his narratives of ownership and leadership. A month later, he got his dream offer, and honestly, that's the power of one-to-one coaching. You don't just practice interviews, you learn to think like an interviewer. You learn to tell stories that stick, because we literally help you script, refine, and practice every answer until it sticks. If you want my personal help getting ready for your interviews, just click the link in the description. Look, if you're watching this, feeling defeated, maybe thinking that you're just not good enough, that maybe you're late for this application cycle, or that maybe the market's just too tough right now, let me tell you something, it's not your fault. Do not blame yourself. The recruiting system defines your worth based on how many LeetCode questions you solved or how fast you can solve an online assessment. But that's complete bullshit. You see, the difference between students that fail and students that succeed, it's not about intelligence, it's about strategy. And that's exactly what I've spent the last couple of years teaching. How to craft a story that cuts through the noise, builds credibility, and gets companies chasing after you. And everything I teach is based on my own experience. Back in college, I balanced classes, the gym, traveling with my girlfriend, and still landed offers at Amazon and Google the day I graduated. Not because I was the smartest, trust me, I wasn't, but because I knew how to position myself differently. And now, that's what I teach my students to do. So let me be clear, you don't have to do this alone. I will personally guide you through every single step, from rewriting your resume, to securing referrals, to running interview drills that make offers inevitable. We've helped hundreds of people, students just like you, get into companies like AMD, Amazon, and even top startups. And we don't stop working with you until you land the job. So if you're serious about breaking through, click the link below and apply. We'll review your situation, see if it's a fit, and if it is, we'll give you a personalized roadmap to land your offer. Because the truth is, you're closer than you think. You don't need another course, you don't need another tutorial. You need strategy, accountability, and precision. So if you're tired of feeling stuck, this is your sign. Click the link below, book a free call to speak with me directly, and let's get you hired.